Hello students, my name is Sadeep Sharma from Success Mantra Educate Jalandhar, Punjab, India. Dear students, we all know that IELTS reading is a big challenge for most of the students. But if you are following my tips and tricks, your reading is never going to be a challenge. Today we are going to discuss very special thing practically. Please listen to the video till the end and try to use it and give me the comments if you really like my video and like my technique. Let's go to the video. Okay, today I am going to discuss about a very special case which we get some questions in our IELTS that we have to complete the sentence. We call it completion of sentence from A to F and write the correct letter, that is write the correct letter from A to F, right? We have to give the in which paragraph this lines is matching, so we have to go for that. Dear students, this type of questions are at all not difficult, but if we properly understand, then only. How we will do it, I am just going to show them. First of all, please do not search the answer directly. First read each and every question and try to find out which is the best keyword which can make you to go to that paragraph and find out the answer. Okay. In this paragraph, it says that headline of colony collapse disorder states that. So headline can be a keyword for me, and there is a colony collapse, means there will be a colony in the paragraph and it may be talking about its collapse. This is how we are going to do it, right? Next question can be view of Frates manifests that. So V point of Frates, it is written in the capital letter, and there are 100% chances that if I am going for the reading, so this capital letter will I can find out straight away. And if we have already scanned the paragraph, definitely we would have underlined this particular word. Now question is this word can come once or it can twice, it can come thrice in the paragraph. Please need not to bother, just search out for this word, and if it comes, wherever it comes, please read that and try to match with it. Okay. Next question is example of blue orchard bee. See, this is very technical word, no? Blue orchard bee. Why I say it is a technical word? Because there cannot be any synonym for this. There is no other words that they can explain it like this. Instead of blue, you have to say blue. You cannot say any other color. Okay, orchard bees are just bees. We can say flies, but we can understand that. So next question is centris. Again, there is a technical word. We need not to even pronounce it. We have to just think it in the mind that it is something CT. It is centris terceta is mentioned. Okay, this is a mistake here. Mentioned to exemplify that. So altogether in these 4 questions we have 3 to 4 technical words. One is a headline, second is Frates, third is blue orchard bees, okay, fourth is centris terceta. If we underline like this, so definitely it is quite easy for me to pick up the words and go to the paragraph and try to find out in which these things have been written. If we are doing like this, definitely we are going to find the answers, otherwise it will be quite difficult for me. Now all the options are given below. See, all the options are given below, means question is here and its second part is here. But why should I bother about this? I will not be bothering about this. I will be just bothering about these type of questions. I'll just go to where the Frates is written. I will read that whole line there or even the next line. Then I try to match which this line is matching with. The first thing is to hunt the area where the question is. So today I'm just discussing about, in this short video, I'm just discussing about how to hunt it. So if we are doing like this, definitely we are going to find it. In the next video, we'll try to solve this. But I have just given you the brief idea. Please do not get scared from these type of questions. These are very easy. If you pick up the right word, scan the right word, definitely we are going to find the answer. If you like my video, if you think it is fruitful for you, I request you to kindly give me comments or remarks, whatever you feel good. But please do subscribe to my channel. It will definitely give me the boost and I will try to serve you the best videos. God bless you. Take care. Bye bye.